decision. So no matter what the results, it will be added to all of us. I might have my own favorite among these seven lovely contestants, but there will be we might know that the other judges doesn't like that particular contestant. So it will be added together. So kung ano man yung result, it has never been decided by myself or decided by one of the judge. It is decided by 3 judges based on the scores that has been given to each and every one of the contestants. So please respect whatever the results that the result that we have tonight. So alam ko na napakagaling nila, and it has been very difficult for us, especially from my end. It has been very difficult for me, lalong-lalo na pag alam mo yung isa na po siya, oh my God, alam mo sabihin mo, mas gusto ko siya. But there is a result, there is a score. So whatever happens, you can check later on kung ano yung mga scores each of one of us.
We have all our bets, we have all our favorites, but of course, one will be the winner, and that is a decision, unanimous decision by our panel of judges.
So whatever the result, guys, kung manalo, kung matalo man yung mga contestants nyo na nandito ngayon, please, huwag nyo na po silang i-discourage, but please boast their confidence na meron pang susunod na laban na pangagaling mo. It might not your time tonight. There will be a time for each and every one of these contestants tonight. So palakpakan mo natin sila. Napakagaling.
Our Magic 7, our 7 contenders competing with our Elaine Idol Grand Champion 2026. Alright, first, we'll be announcing our second placer.
Pati siya magugulat itong kasama ko ngayon. Our second place, garnering score of 96.3.
Garnered an average score of 96.3. Our second placer is...
What's your bet? Congratulations, contestant number. Congratulations, number 6.
Of course, an award will be given by Miss Maricel Soliven, one of our panel of judges. At may pabukay pa, yung tama-tama. Ang bigat niya, may tumig pa yan. Courtesy of Suds Flower Shop. Yan. Of course, El Molina will be receiving a plaque as a cash prize. Plus, of course, some certificate courtesy of our sponsor. Para po niyo ang ating second placer, El Molina!
Nanalo ka ba, friend?
Grabe ka naman.
Friend, nanalo ka, friend!
Dito ka na.
Hindi niya yan ini-expect.
So,
So every one of us actually did not expect this. So,
yeah. Okay.
oh my God.
Next, our first placer. Ibig sabihin, first placer, hindi din yung grand champion, ha? First placer lang po ito.
Pwede pa
Our first runner-up.
Pwede naman ba natin tawagin yung dalawa na para masama? Agayon ba?
Isa lang.
Don't worry guys, sa ating remaining 4 contestants will receive 100 dirhams each. Courtesy of course, Miss Jo Concepcion. Ay, Concepcion.
Hindi ko si Concepcion, bebe. Gising ka ba, bebe?
Sorry, para wala akong sobrang nito mamaya. Hoy, gusto mo pong tawanan, yung sobrang natin kay Nora.
Mamaya, pagtanda mo sa kanya, hanapin mo si Concepcion.
Okay, our first placer.
Good luck, contenders.
Congratulations! Your score is
Garnered an average score of
97.68!
97.6. Our first place, our first runner-up is not enough. na napakabigat ko talaga po ng flower dahil may tubig po siya. Yun siya ang sunset. Ano ba? Picture pa ba? Photo pa, photo. Photo pa.
Picture mo na picture.
Meron siya. Wow, may touch line. Alright. Next. Ready? Thank you so much. Congratulations, Eric Jandison, our contender number 7. This time, ready na ba kayo? Our first ever Grand Champion ng ating Alain Idol 2026. Sino ang gusto niya? Si number 3. Si number 5. Si number 2. To be awarded, of course, one of our leaders also for tonight, Miss Jo Encarnacion, hindi Concepcion. Ready na ba kayo? The first ever Alain Idol 2026 garnered an average score of
99%!
99%. Our Grand Champion, Alain Idol 2026, will be representing Alain sa mga contest proper or guesting or may among UAE area. Palakpakan niyo naman!
Is no other than number 2! Eric
Estrada! To be awarded once again by Miss Jo Encarnacion. Ayan. And may bugay din. Hindi ko kami. Ay, hindi dito. May picture making pa. Ayan. Ayan po ko yan.
Congrats, congrats! Galing!
Alright. Take a photo.
Photo mo na, photo.
Kasya ba kami lahat? Madam. Madam. Wait lang po. Wala po nga alis, ha? Once again, congratulations to Erickson and Prada, our first ever Alain Idol 2026. But of course, thank you so much to all the contenders. You deserve also to win. Maybe next time, and you deserve.
Yes.
You performed very, very excellent tonight. Walang tulad, kabigin naman.
At saka makatagal sila ng tig 100 euros each na nating 4 remaining
Silang apat.
contestants. Courtesy of Miss Jo
Silang apat.
Encarnacion.
Pwede ba yung mga winners? 3 winners?
Top 3, please come on stage.
Sa gitna kami din. Ay, maraming salamat. You are all equally talented, guys. How do you feel right now? El? Well, good. Oh. Pero dahil kahit nanalo pa po si